Solutions of system of linear equation. This is very important topic. This topic we will use in eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Without this one, we cannot calculate the eigenvalues and eigenvectors in quadratic forms. In the second unit and the third unit also we will use this topic. Now, solutions of system of linear equation means, first of all, linear equation definition I will tell you. Ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. This is linear equation in terms of x, y, z. This is called linear equation in x, y, z, where a, b, c and d are coefficients, are just numbers, real numbers. Next concept. Suppose combination of two or more linear equations, means a set of two or more linear equations, is called system of linear equations. Now, for this system only, we are calculating the solutions. If we have bunch of linear equations, if we have set of linear equations, for this set only, we are calculating solutions. Again, system of linear equations are two types. One is non-homogeneous system of linear equation. Another one is homogeneous system of linear equations. Now, I will explain these two concepts with examples directly. Definition is, you can write on your own. First of all, I will consider one set of linear equations. Observe this one. X plus y plus 3z equal to 2. Another equation, 2x plus 3y minus 4z equal to 4. The last equation, x plus y plus z equal to 0. Now observe this one. This is three linear equations, set of three linear equations in x, y, z variables. And observe the RHS side equal to some constants. I got 2, 4, 0. If these constants are not zeros, at least one constant is not 0, then the set of linear equations are nothing but non-homogeneous system of linear equations. Means, if RHS side, if every term is 0, then that is nothing but homogeneous system of linear equations. Means, you should not think in this way. For the first equation is x plus y plus 3z equal to 2. When you are sending minus to that side, it becomes 0. It is not correct. There is no coefficient. I don't want any constant. Every equation after z, every equation must be in the form of equal to 0. Now, the first set of linear equations are non-homogeneous system of linear equations. Now, I am writing the example of homogeneous system of linear equations. X plus y plus z equal to 0. First equation. Second equation. 2x minus 3y plus 4z equal to 0. Observe this one. First one 0, second one 0. Third equation. 3x minus y plus 4z equal to 0. RHS side, every number is 0. There is no constant. Every number is 0. Therefore, for this type of system of linear equations is nothing but homogeneous system of linear equations. Have you got the idea? Right? Non-homogeneous and homogeneous. Once again, first definition linear equation. Next concept, bunch of linear equation is nothing but combination of two or more linear equations is nothing but system of linear equation. Our aim is, in this topic, our aim is to find the solution of system of linear equations. There are two types of linear equations. One is homogeneous, other one is non-homogeneous. I gave the example, first example of non-homogeneous system of linear equation. Second one is homogeneous system of linear equations. Now, if the system has solution, forget about the solution. There are many types of solutions are available. If any system has the solution, then that system is called consistent. Forget about what type of solution it is. Unique solution, infinitely many solution, no, like that. Different solutions are there. Zero solution, non-zero solution. Later I will explain the types of solution. Means we have two types of systems, homogeneous and non-homogeneous. For any system, If the system has solution, then that system is called consistent system. If the system has no solution, then that system is nothing but inconsistent system. Now, first of all, I will explain the solutions of non-homogeneous system of linear equations. Solutions. Already I have taken homogeneous and non-homogeneous. Now, what type of solutions exist for non-homogeneous system of linear equations? It has mainly three types of solutions. First one, unique solution. Unique solution, important. Infinitely many solution and no solution. Now, first of all, what is the meaning of this unique solution, infinitely many solution and no solution? I will explain with example. Suppose you take one equation, x plus y equal to 10. Sometimes one equation is also called system. For some examples, if we have a linear equation, means definitely it has solution or no solution or infinitely many solution. Like that, it compulsory that equation has something is there, for that solution is there. Otherwise, sometimes we can write no solution. If you have one linear equation, definitely it has solution. Now once again, I am taking x plus y equal to 10. Now, what type of solutions exist for this one? Solution is nothing but, suppose in place of x something, in place of y, if you are writing something, some numbers, if you are putting in place of x and y, if LHS equal to RHS, then that set of numbers are nothing but solution. Now, x equal to 1, y equal to 9. X equal to 1, y equal to 9. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 equal to 10. Means 1 comma 9 is a solution. X equal to 1, y equal to 9 is a solution. X equal to 2, y equal to 8. It is also a solution. X equal to 100, y equal to minus 10, minus 90. X equal to 100, y equal to minus 90. 100 minus 90. It is a solution. Like this, we get many number of solutions. Means these type of solutions are called infinitely many solutions. Right? Now another one. X plus y equal to 4 and x minus y equal to 6. I have taken two linear equations, set of two linear equations in terms of x and y. While solving, means adding, y cancel, 2x equal to 10, x equal to 5 and y equal to 1. Means only one solution, means this type of solution is nothing but unique solution. There is no other solution except x equal to 5 and y equal to 1 is the only one solution for this system. This is nothing but unique solution. Another one, x plus y equal to 10, x plus y equal to 13. We are adding same variables, we are getting sum is 10. Again we are adding the same variables, we are getting the sum is 13. Means how is it possible? Suppose cost of math book plus cost of science book, if you are adding 150, in another shop same books, suppose if they ask 200 rupees, means this is nothing but impossible, right? This is another impossible situation. Means x plus y equal to 10, x plus y equal to 13, means this, for this system no solution, because same variables we are adding but we are getting different sums, 13 and 10. This is the concept of unique solution, infinitely many solution and no solution. Now after that, I will consider the general system of non-homogeneous system linear equation. Means we cannot solve, these are two linear equation, two variables, it is possible. I explained the meaning of the solutions, but we will solve non-homogeneous system of linear equations in different way.